Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your headset and confirming basic permissions. Plug in or pair the headset, then open PS4 settings or Xbox settings and select audio devices as the input and output. Make sure microphone level is audible. Adjust the volume and mic monitoring. Once done, verify network NAT, open or moderate avoids voice dropouts. If you see strict NAT, reboot modem/router or enable UPnP. You're now ready to move into console-specific party setup and controller mic checks. You now create or join the actual voice channel. On PS4, open the party app, create a party and send invites. Choose shared screen if needed. On Xbox, press the guide, go to parties and chats, start a party and invite friends. Toggle join now for quick entry. Make sure you set the party chat as the active chat for your headset, otherwise game chat will bypass. Adjust each participant's volume, mute background noise, and test by speaking so everyone confirms levels before gameplay begins. You finish by verifying quality and knowing what to do if it breaks. Do a short test call with one friend and listen for latency, clipping, or dropouts. Tweak levels and enable mic monitoring if available. If voice fails, restart the console and repair the headset, then confirm privacy and party permissions allow voice chat. If problems persist, swap the headset or cable to isolate hardware faults, and check router settings like UPnP and CoS to prioritize voice packets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.